Hi kids, welcome back to Moony. Today we're going to play with a recycling truck playset and learn all about reduce, reuse, and recycle. Whoa, look at all the things it comes with. We have a couple signs here for the garbage truck to help direct traffic. We have a sign that says, "Attention, wait here." That must be to stop other cars from coming on the road. We have a stop sign. What do you do when you see one of these? That's right, you stop. We also have a traffic cone. This helps direct the cars. Look, we have a blue recycling bin, a yellow recycling bin, and a red recycling bin. 1, 2, 3. 3 recycling bins. And look, they also come with matching boxes. And of course, we have our garbage truck. Should we play with it and learn some cool facts?
Yes!
Okay, let's do it. Whoa, look at our recycling truck. Everyone say, "Hi, Steve." Steve is the one who collects all the trash. Right here, we have a crane to help pick up the garbage and put it in the truck. Whoa, look at all the garbage.
Wow!
Before Steve drives off, he has to make sure to put this down so it doesn't fly in the wind. How many wheels does a regular car have? They have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 wheels. Now let's count how many wheels the garbage truck has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's a lot of wheels. You know it's a recycling truck when it's green. Yeah, like my shirt. Green stands for the environment. Reduce means to cut back on the amount of trash we generate. Reuse means to find new ways to use things that otherwise would have been thrown out. Yeah, like using a plastic water bottle more than once. And recycle means to take something old and useless, like plastic milk jugs, and use it to make something new and useful, like playground equipment. First, let's start the engine. Next, we should honk to let people know we're here. Time to collect the trash. about recycling with me today. And from Steve and I, the garbage guy, wave goodnight to the moon for me.